Okay guys, so I'm having again a makeup tutorial for today, and these are all my things that I'm going to use. So these are the shadows and palettes I'm going to use, and of course the foundation, and of course the lashes in my one length wig, and of course these shades of eyeshadows, and we have here the false eyelashes that I'm going to use. Yeah, that's it, and there you go. And of course we have here the applicators, and that's it. So right now I'm going to show you that this makeup tutorial is a version of a male to a female. So now this is the version of a male, and I'm going to be showing you. This is the version of the male. So I'm going to first remove my mustache before I'm going to put makeup. So this is it. So I'm going to be using first my puppy's shaver. So, yan. So yan, I'm done with the shaving, and I'm going to use again this one to make it more finesse. Okay. Ayan, so I'm done. So as you can see, it's all so okay, I'm done with the shaving, and so I'm going to apply foundation. Of course, the foundation. This foundation is an orange blush, and this is an orange blush. Wherein I'm going to use the old tradition of foundation. So of course, this is not liquid, so we have to soak the foam or the this foam into a water before we're going to use. So I'll show you later how it is. So you're going to start it in your eyes, and below the eyes, and of course to your eyes. I cannot actually remove my eyebrows because I want it, but I'll show you later how it is like to be. So that's it guys, I remove a little bit of my eyebrows. So ayan, that's my eyebrows now. So I'll show you. So ayan, I'm done putting with the foundation in my face, and I'm going to put more on my lips because I'm going to give a shape on that later on. Yeah, so I'm done, and the next thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. So using something on my eyebrows is I would like to use this dark one, because I would like my eyebrows to be. So I'm going to start here, like that. It's just like that. And so I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to shape it. That's it. So you're going to put it like this way. Yeah. And I'm going to do it starting here. And like that way. So I'm going to make it like that. So it's gonna be like that. So I'll show you. So that's my eyebrows that I've done, and I'm going to blend it with this, with this one. So it will be blend light hair. So it's simple as that. You're going to do it like that way. So I'm done with my eyebrows, and next is our eyeshadow. So the next thing that I'm going to do is putting something on my eyelids and into my eyes. But before that, I'm going to use this pattern first before I'm going to use this one to make it more bolder. So like this. So I'm going to show you later. And it is because my eyes is Asian, and I'm going to make it as wider as it. So I'll do it that way. And later on, that will be more wider. So like that, and of course I'm going to extend a little bit in here. Yeah, so I'll be extending more in here because I would like my eyes to be more bigger. So that's the only pattern that I'm going to do. So that is going to be my eyes today, and later on I'll show you how beautiful it is and how well it turns to be. Let's try it before we're going to continue our makeup. So next is I will be putting my lower false eyelashes. So you have to wait using this paste and the eye. And now we're done with putting with our false eyelashes. Yeah, this is a drag queen makeup that I did today. So I'm going to be showing you later. After next is our eyeshadow, our nose line, and lipstick. So tune in, and we will be done in no time. So in order for the other makeup to be inducted to your eyes, you can use lipstick first. Ayan, so first you can use your lipstick first on your eyeshadow, before you're going to apply the main eyeshadow that you've wanted to. So like that. I'm gonna be using this lipstick first. And so yeah, lipstick first. So after putting lipstick on my eyeshadow, on my drag queen makeup, I'll be using something that I love because first thing that I'm going to use is this one. Okay, you see this one? So So this is a drag queen makeup. So this is how I do my drag queen makeup. Please bear with me until the end, until we're done, so you can see how it is. This is the wrong thing that I've done. I already had put my eyeshadow, so it's so hard to be putting because. So if you wanted not to be hard on putting your eyeshadow, you put your you can put your false eyelashes after applying your eyeshadows. But for me, I do it because I wanted to see how it is good on me. So there's always been a trial and error before we are going while we are putting makeup. So you know, I was tried this myself because it's my first time to be doing this kind of makeup, drag queen makeup. So I just wanted to show you how I do my drag queen makeup. So this is it. So next that we're going to do is I'm going to have my nose line. Yeah, my nose line is using this one. This is a drag queen makeup, guys. So don't be shocked because this is not done. Yeah, this is how drag queen makeup is. And after our nose line, we're going to be moving on the lips. So the lips that I'm going to do is using this new matte that I bought. And so, so I'm going to be using this. Of course, without using a line, or you can use your line by using something like this. We have many applicators to use before we're going to go on having your lipstick. So let's do it. Let's do this. And so I'll be adding on my lipstick because I want it to be more thicker. This is a drag queen makeup, so you can do whatever makeup you can do, and you can make your lips as wider as you want it. If you're doing an art here or in, these are mostly drag makeup is mostly being used on entertainment, on stage entertainment. So you can do whatever makeup you can do. So that's it. I did extend on my lips because I wanted to be, you know. So, so that's it. That is why we have to be putting more foundations on our lips part. So, I'll go on with the lips of Angelina Jolie. And afterwards, I'm going to give a shade to make it beautiful. So, so we're done with the lipstick. So, next is having a contour on our, of course, our cheek to make it more beautiful and vibrant. So we have here the applicator that I'm going to be using. Yeah, of course, you have to use applicator, and then you are going to use this. I would like to use this blush on for you. See, as you can see, I'm done with it. So I'm going to be using this blush on, I think. Yeah, this one first. So you have to get your cheeks. Yeah. So that's how it goes. Yeah. To make your cheekbone out. So more of it, like that. So you have to be putting it in here. Here. Here and use the more better one. So here, so that is how my makeup, and I'll be putting my contact lenses. Ayan guys, so I'm done putting up with my of course my contact lenses, and we're going to be using a primer for us to be more fresher. And so primer is it. This is the primer. The shine in shimmer blended glitters here. So going to have an additional layer. Yeah. You can just tap it like this, and you can put it in here too. This primer, this glitters. This is the things that makes you fresh. And that is my tutorial for today for the drag queen makeup tutorial. So now let's be putting on our, of course, our wig. I have here my wig, which is the black hair, the one length wig. Help me put it. Never mind my Kelly Kelly. And so this is our finished product of the drag queen makeup that we have done for today. And I hope you're gonna like it. And please, if you're not yet connected to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment to our YouTube channel. And God bless us all. So this is the makeup tutorial of the Cleopatra that I have done today. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. Click the notification bell for for another more videos that I'm going to do today. So that's it, and thank you guys for watching. And here's another hair color of wig. So you can see the difference of brown and black. Of course, if we are using this one, it makes us more Miss Lisa. So this is Miss Lisa style. So, and then afterwards, I'm going to do the extension. So and so this is the extension of this wig. So if you wanted your hair to be more like this, it's like that. So that's the extension hair that I've done today. So like this, you're going to have it. You can use two. So two combination of 2 wigs is better than one. So you can see what had happened on my makeup drag queen that I've done today. So thank you so much, guys.